Hi, I'm Andy Poole, Legal Sector Partner at Armstrong Watson, reporting on developments in the legal sector in Q4 2023 for law firm Ambition. What I'm going to be talking about today is employee ownership trusts, which seems to be a growing trend in the legal sector. There's quite a few that have already done it, including just announced Hudgell solicitors. It may well work for some, particularly where they're relatively large firms for the number of the equity owners, and be quite difficult for traditional internal succession to work, as it'd be too expensive for a small number of people to fund to take over internally. It can also be quite beneficial for the vendors because there's no CGT to pay, and the employees can also have tax-free bonuses up to £3,000 a year. But there are also quite a few issues, particularly around funding the acquisition, because most internal sources, they haven't got access to the funding straight away, and therefore we need to pay that over a period of time or raise funds to be able to pay for it. We also need to have independent valuers, which actually we've done for quite a few law firm EOTs already here at Armstrong Watson. We also have to have the need for non-execs to represent the employee trust on the board, and there's ongoing management issues, there's ongoing involvement of a wider number of stakeholders and how we actually run the business going forward. We've also got to think about, if the payments are to be paid over a period of time, what happens if the firm gets into financial difficulty in that time? We've also got to think about how we incentivise the good senior people that would have liked the responsibility and reward of ownership, and actually may well look to other firms if they want to become a partner. So we may well have a drain on resources. So it really does pay to obtain proper advice on this. We'll be covering it in much more detail in our next in-person conference in London on the 25th of June. So please do check out details on the Law Firm Ambition website on that in order to be able to book, or if you want, drop me a line. Thank you.